Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Google Ads for your local business or small business. I'm going to go through the steps, the most important things that you need to know to be able to run Google Ads for your small or local business. So before I get into it, firstly, I want to say you need to set clear goals. Not enough businesses do this. I see a lot of businesses just turn on a campaign in Google Ads and start spending money, but they don't actually know what it is that they're going after. They just think overall, get more sales to miss, but they don't have a clear goal of what it is that they want. So first you need to set clear goals that obviously enable you to see if your Google Ads campaign is a success. Also, you need to set up conversion tracking. This is very important because, for example, some businesses may not budget for Google Ads and they see that it's not for them. Google Ads isn't for every business. A lot of the time, Google Ads would work for them and does work for the business and the market that they're in, but they haven't set up their conversion tracking. So they don't know if their Google Ads campaign is a success or not, which keywords are bringing them leads and customers to their business. So you need to set clear goals and set up conversion tracking for your Google Ads campaign and account in order to see what's working and what's not working. And as a local and small business, you have a very limited budget, so you want to make sure that you're not wasting money and that you're getting your return on investment and optimizing your campaign better. Because if you have conversion tracking set up, you can't optimize your Google Ads because you won't be able to track conversions and data, see which keywords and what is causing you your leads conversions. So you need to set that up. Also, as I go into it now, you need to set up, and third step is of running Google Ads is you need to set up negative keywords. You need to set up a negative keyword list so that you're not wasting your limited budget on terms that will never convert. So when you go into your search terms and negatives as you start running your Google Ads campaign, whether it's a phone call campaign or Google search campaign, you'll start to get data that's coming in of keywords that your ads are showing up for. You want to add negative keywords and block any keywords from showing up so that your ad doesn't show up for irrelevant terms. So let's say you're a dentist. If someone is typing in, for example, plumber near me or swimming pool installer or electrician near me, as a dentist marketing your dental practice, you don't want to show up for irrelevant terms like that. So don't forget to set up negative keywords list too. And these first 3 steps will enable you to have a strong foundation for running your Google Ads. So you'll have your clear goals, you'll have your negative keyword list, you have your conversion. Now that you've set your clear goals for your business and your Google Ads and you've set up conversion tracking, the next step that I highly recommend and something that you need to do in running your Google Ads, it's A/B testing. So A/B testing will let Google Ads see which copy and which ads work best. I see a mistake that a lot of businesses make is making 1,000 ad groups and targeting 500 plus keywords, 500 plus 1,000 different keywords and ad groups. You don't want to do that. Create 5 ad groups and then 5 to 10 keywords. So you have 5 ad groups in your Google search ads campaign or Google call campaign, and then up to 5 to 10 keywords per ad group. And you want to A/B test your headlines. So as you can see here, you have a lot of different headlines that you can A/B test. This is to get the best result from your marketing budget. As a small business or local business, your budget is going to be limited. So to get the most out of your marketing budget and get the best possible cost per customer and return on investment, we call it return on ad spend in digital marketing, you're going to want to test as many headlines as you possibly can. I don't recommend just using 1 or 2 headlines, and create 3 ads per ad group. So you have 5 ad groups, don't just have 1 ad per ad group, have at least 3 ads per ad group. And you can see after every week what's performing best. And this makes a big difference. This is very important that you A/B test your ads in Google Ads, because over the course of a few months, a month or 2, in 3 months, let's say 1 to 3 months, you're going to save a lot of money from A/B testing in terms of your cost per customer and your return on investment, which is the most important thing, and how much money you make in your business. So I see businesses that put this off, and then they could have saved themselves thousands of pounds across a few months if they had just A/B tested, and the results would have been much better because it accelerates with time. Yeah, in this example, I've shown you if you're a dentist, you have dentist near me, dentist near you, dentist available now near you. If you have any offers, you can mention that in your Google Ads as an incentive to bring in more leads and patients, customers. But this goes for any business. I'm just doing dentist in this example. If you're a plumber, a roofer, dentist, doesn't matter what business you have, swimming pool installer. And then with your descriptions, you want to test as many descriptions as possible too. And you want to, especially when doing your Google search ads, you want to take up as much space on the page as possible. So when your ad shows on Google on page 1, for example, if you have site link and call out extensions, then your Google ad is going to have more text, more copy, and it's going to take up more real estate and more land, more space on the Google page. So this will bring you more leads and customers for your business. So I highly recommend filling out site link extensions and call outs. If you're not doing a Google search ads campaign to your website, you're just driving calls to a phone number for your business, this works really well too. So I did want to mention something else apart from your targeting, the bidding that you do. Start off with manual bidding. Google's machine learning is really good. It's AI. I've noticed over the last few years, Google's AI is good, but you want to always start off with manual bidding options until you have data and conversions in your account, at least 30 conversions in your Google Ads account, because Google's AI and machine learning works best, obviously, when you have data and conversions. So always start off with maximize clicks and manual CPC, for example. And once you have data in your account and conversions, you can go to Google's AI and machine learning, which is target CPA, which is target cost per customer, target ROAS, target return on ad spend, and target conversion. So you can do the automated bidding options later on once you have at least 30 conversions. Always start off with manual bidding, like I said, manual CPC, and maximize clicks. When you are targeting your ads, this is very important. I wanted to mention too, make sure you untick the Google Display Network and Search Network. They're going to give you, it's just going to waste your marketing budget, especially as a small business or local business. There's no need to be on the Google Display Network or the Search Partners Network. There'll be enough, if you're targeting correctly your keywords, there'll be enough traffic for you to come from the actual Google Ads, Google's platform, Google Search. Google Display Network is not a space where your business wants to be. It's just going to waste your marketing budget. And if you do have a limited budget, you want to make sure that you're getting the best results possible. So make sure you untick Google Search Partners and Google Display Network. With your locations too, whichever area your business serves, make sure that you tick people in or regularly in your included location. Because if you tick who've shown interest in, it will show you anyone who's shown interest in your locations where you work. So you're not going to get a good quality of leads and results from there. So always make sure you click people in or regularly in. So this is how to run Google Ads for your local business and small business.